Isn't it amazing? Isn't this like a movie? Hello, I'm coming up. It's like a special romantic holiday movie. Wow. Putting all the...
Give our best to Peter Pan. When you reach for the stars.
Are you ready for great adventure? At 9 months old? We are heading down to the water. They have a little staircase down there. Here we go. Let's go explore. What are you guys looking at? It's so beautiful. This is the Hood Canal.
To write the license plate?
Oh, look at you in your little rain gear. Perfect. We are heading into the rainforest in Seattle.
Oh, well, we could if we don't do the 10 miles.
Hi, Madlena. Hi. Oh, cute. Action means we move.
Just like you, I was small, not that long ago, and all I wish you all the happiness.
It's raining in the rainforest.
When you reach for the stars, see the sand in my grasp from the first to the last.
Hey, Madlena.
Life's an
Are you mesmerized by it? Huh? Are you having fun on your hike?
When you speak.
It is so quiet here. This is the perfect ending to a day hiking in the Olympic rainforest with my granddaughter, my daughter, and my son-in-law. Wow!
Comets fly, you and I could hitch a ride and fly away to Neverland.
Are you ready?
Give our
Are you
best
ready?
to Peter Pan. When you
Little
reach for
fresh
the
water
stars,
river running through the trail.
forget who you are, and please don't turn around and grow up way too fast. See the sand
Look what's in our path.
from the first to the last. Every grain becomes a memory of the past. Oh, life's an hourglass. Life's an hourglass.
What is the name of it? Like Lena?
Yes.
Like Lena in Seattle. How breathtaking.
Close your eyes, sleepyhead.
You can actually camp down here on the lake. How cool. love the sleeping hammocks that are hung between the trees. How perfect would that be? What do you think of the view, Madalena? Is it beautiful? Say hi. Oh, say hi, Madalena. Hi. Yes. Hi, Madalena. You ready to go on another adventure?
Hold on, I want a sip of water. Mom, do you...
Little boy, when you speak, I can't help but kiss your cheeks. I love the way you grab my hands and tell me all about your
Frank.
plans. Rocket.
A little owl watching out. And this is the Hood Canal, connected to the Puget Sound on the edge of the Olympic rainforest.